Hey, Gary here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can partner with Impact.com and big brands to earn commissions as an affiliate marketer. Here we go over at Impact.com. Impact.com for partners and publishers. Discover Impact.com's marketplace, meaning that this is a place where you can go and you can shop for big brands to partner with, so you can promote those brands and their products and earn money as an affiliate marketer. You'll see different ways here: affiliates, influencers, mobile apps, content publishers, premium news, and media publishers. If you're watching this video, most likely you're focused in on being an affiliate, which means you're looking for a way to get an affiliate link and then add your affiliate link to your content so people can click on it, check out the offer that you're making, and then earn a commission. Like it says here, work with businesses that are looking for partners like you: Adidas, Backcountry, Drop, DoorDash, Fanatics, Lavino, Walmart, L'Oreal, Uber, Ticketmaster, even eBay. This is where you want to go if you want to partner with big brands. And you do that by going to Impact.com and signing up as a partner. Again, remember, you're signing up as a partner because you're creating content and you want to add your links, the links that you get when you partner with these big brands, to your content. Here you go, you sign up and you start earning. You simply click sign up with email, and then you walk through these forms, entering your information: your last name, your first name, an email address, and a password to include your mobile phone number. Then after you signed up, what you need is a strategy. What I like to use is my top strategy, and it starts with understanding that everything starts with traffic. Traffic over to your offer, and your offer is going to be the affiliate link, but understanding that the affiliate link is more than just a chance for you to earn a commission. It is a solution to a problem that you've talked about when you were generating traffic, when you picked a topic, and that topic being a problem or a recommendation for a product. And then that product is your offer. And then also understanding, once people see that offer, the idea and the concept here is to add people to a list, to build a group of people that have similar problems, similar ideas, similar interests, so you can follow up with additional offers in this same topic or on this same topic around this idea of creating offers or creating solutions to problems that are offers. And those offers are your affiliate links. Now that's great in theory, but what does it look like in practice? It looks like this. The people that you will eventually add to an email list are looking for solutions to their problems. And the traffic comes from creating, for example, a YouTube video where you solve that problem or you make a recommendation for a product. People find that video, they click on the link that goes over to the offer. The buy now button is your affiliate link. When people click that, they use your affiliate link that you got from Impact.com, and I'm going to show you in a second exactly how to do that. And then when they purchase, you earn a commission. There's also the advanced strategy and the idea of adding these people to an email list. Now, let's say you've built this page here. It says design anytime. What will you design today? Click the button below and start designing for free. And then there's a button here that says create a design. If any of that sounds or looks familiar, it is because Canva has a tagline: what will you design today? And then their button here, when you actually go to create a design, says create a design. So you've created this page, you followed this idea of helping people learn how they can start creating designs and how they can do it for free, but you want to change out this image to be the Canva logo. Once you've created your Impact.com account, you'll land inside your dashboard where you can see a snapshot of things that are going on. You can see your clicks, the actions, that means people took an action and actually made a purchase, your payouts, the money you're owed, the sale amount, or the amount the sale was for, the conversion rate, meaning how many people clicked versus how many people actually bought, and then your earnings per click, an average of how much you've earned per click of the people that are clicking on your offers or your affiliate links. The idea here is you want to go to brands and you want to go to find brands. And then under find brands, you're going to have a list of brands here. They have featured brands. You can see 4th of July brands. I'm filming this video in May, so they're putting this out, getting ready for the 4th of July and the promos or the promotions that are going to happen for that holiday. But you can click here on all brands and you'll see every brand they have to offer. Then if you want to search for a particular brand, you can come up here and you can type in that brand. For example, we're looking for Canva. And here you see in the search results, you don't actually see Canva, the brand. But if you go under My Brands, you'll see it. Another way to search is to come over here and hit this search bar if you don't find it under the brands, and then you'll see Canva here. The concept here is Canva isn't showing up under all brands because I already have applied and it is already under my brands. Then once you want to promote Canva, then you can click on create link. And then here, if you just want to create a link, you would go ahead and select create, or you would come down and you would just copy this link right here. Or if you want to go more advanced, you can start entering sub IDs and different properties. These are all advanced options that you don't need to worry about, but you wanted to go back to your page and you wanted to add an asset here, or you wanted to add an image. In that case, you'd come back to Canva, you'd click on assets, and then under the assets, for example, this right here, a logo circle. If you just wanted the image, you could download the image. So you could download that PNG, that'll download in the corner there, close that, or you could grab the add code, which you could copy that code and then you could enter that HTML on the page. And we'll go back to the page and I'll show you both ways to do this. For example, if I want to change this image, and this is inside of Groove, this is Groove Pages. If you want to check that out, there's a free account, a free link to grab a free account so you can see how this works. And you just upload this image and you're going to have this Canva image. You're going to select that image, you're going to upload and close it, and now you have added the Canva image to your page when you direct people over from your content where you're talking about the topic of creating free designs or a tool to help people create free designs and then send them over to this page. They're going to see this button, or they're going to see this logo for Canva with this button to create a design. And they understand from your content that they can click the button below and start designing for free. So you're going to add your affiliate link to this button. You're going to click this button. You're going to link to a URL. Your affiliate link is going to go right here. Again, you're going to get that link by going back here to the asset and copy this tracking link. Go back to Groove and paste that in, update and close. And now that is going to link out. You can see in the left-hand corner, that is your link, your affiliate link. When people click on that, you're going to have the potential, the chance to earn a commission when they click on that. But now what if you wanted this button or this image? You could do the same thing here inside of Groove Pages, and you could select that URL, and then you could go ahead and say update and close. Now that makes that image clickable as well in case someone saw that and just clicked on it. That would give you the potential to earn a commission. But what if you wanted to do something like this? We'll go ahead and delete that. And what we'll do is we'll come over to elements. Here we'll come over or come down to other, and we will do a code embed. Here, that is going to allow you to enter that HTML. By clicking on this cogwheel, you're going to enter the source code. Go back to impact radius. Remember that add code here where you saw that image. You can copy that code now, and this entire code becomes your affiliate link. When you go back to Groove Pages or your own page builder and you save that, you go ahead and save this design, and then you publish this page. We'll go ahead and publish this real quick because the code isn't going to show up until we actually publish the page and take a look at it. We'll go ahead here and open a new tab. Now you can see that page that we created inside of Groove Page, that page that becomes your offer, that is the link over to the affiliate link, or is the solution, the ultimate way for your audience to find your solution, is now they can click on this, which is the image that you pulled from the assets over in Impact, or the link where you linked this button to your affiliate link. And again, you got all that from inside of impact.com, inside your impact.com account under assets, or you can always go back to my brands under brands. And then once you apply, you have those assets here. So you can either select create a link, which will allow you to create a link, this link right here that you would use if you wanted to apply it to a button. Or if you wanted the assets, then you would click on that assets, and that assets button would take you over to all the different assets that they have available. And they also have different kinds of banners and things that you can use, not just the image. So you pick the thing that is going to resonate with your audience based upon the content, based upon you generating traffic from the topic that you're talking about. For example, on a YouTube video or in a blog post or in a Facebook group or Instagram, anywhere where people are looking for information about what it is you're talking about. information about the problem they have and the fact that you are talking about that topic and you are covering that problem and where they can get the solution. Now, once you're back inside of impact.com, inside your account, you can also drop down here and you can go to reports. Under all reports, there's all these different types of reports that you'll start looking at once you start generating traffic and get people clicking over to your offers and adding people to an email list, which again goes back to having a strategy, which I call the top strategy, which means generating traffic by picking a topic and talking about that topic and understanding that you are identifying a problem. And then once you identify the problem, you identify the solution, which is your offer, the offer that you found over on impact.com. And then you're letting people know that they can click on that offer. And then you can also utilize an advanced strategy of building an email list based on the fact that people are going to want to sign up, or they're going to want to hear more about the solutions that you have to the problems that you've identified in your topic, or you've identified when you started creating traffic for clicks over to your offers and your affiliate links that you got inside of your Impact Radius account. And of course, if you click on all brands again, if you want to get approved, you simply need to click apply. Then you need to walk through the process, answer their questions about why you want to work with this campaign and why they should let you work with this campaign. Identify the fact that you are a blogger, the fact that you have a podcast or you have a Twitter following, they're highly engaged, and the fact that you're providing high valuable content, and you've identified, based upon the content that you're creating that is your traffic source, you've identified a problem and you've identified the solution for that problem, and you want that solution to be the affiliate link that you're getting inside of the impact.com account that is the marketplace for that brand that you're partnering with, so you can make money, they can make money, and you can help real people solve their real problems. And in that entire process, the idea and the concept and the outcome here is the fact that you will partner with those big brands through the connection with impact.com, and you will make money as an affiliate marketer. If you want to see exactly how I do this, go ahead and check out the link in the description. It will walk you through my top strategy and the way I do it here on YouTube, implementing my top strategy and using YouTube as a traffic source. Link in the description. Check that out. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.